I've opened my YouTube homepage. Now the point is, if you want to watch the trending videos of other countries, how can you see them? Okay, it's pretty simple. At the top left corner, click on this trending button, like this. And now click on trending. Now all the trending videos will be displayed that are trending on a specific country. These are the videos that are going trending on United States. But if you want to see the trending videos of other countries, just do a little setting. At the bottom right corner, click on your profile picture. And now at the top right corner, click on the settings icon. Now click on general. Now scroll down a little bit and click on location. And now I'm gonna select Brazil from here. So I've selected here Brazil. And nothing to do here, just go back. So this was the trending page of the United States. Now if I refresh the page, let's see what happens. Now the videos are synced. So these are the videos that are trending on Brazil right now. So this is how you can watch trending videos of other countries. Okay? So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit the like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.